Hello again, and I'm glad you came back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Oh yeah, it's time for the fall makeover. I really love decorating for fall because you can mix and match so many different color combinations. I hope you guys are excited because in today's video, we're going to be decorating the entryway, living room, kitchen, dining room, and the outside. I don't plan on decorating the family room this year, but you never know. So I hope you like my video, and please comment down below. I love to hear from you. Oops, I almost forgot. I'm going to be showing off my pressure washing skills too. But first, let's go do some shopping. Alrighty, now that we're back from shopping, here's what the outside looks like. I'll be showing off my pressure washing skills because the porch needs a little TLC from all the rain and bugs and such. I'll be using the Greenworks pressure washer, which I really like, but with all the cords and hoses and stuff, it can be a pain. But for the most part, it functions and does the job. The solution I'll be using is Simple Green. It's my first time using it, so we'll see how it works. So I'll stop talking now and get this thing connected. Don't worry, this will only take a minute. Oh, and in case you're wondering, because I would be, I don't dress like this every day. These are my outside clothes because I'm tired of getting attacked by all the bugs and mosquitoes and stuff. Ew. So here in the dining room, it is my favorite room by far. From last year, I already had the orange tablecloth and the green pumpkin-like table mats. And all I did was look for additional decor that would complement those things. And if you zoom in on this green morning pumpkin mug, I bought that from Hobby Lobby. That is so cute. I'm really glad I bought that. And if you look at the buffet, I think with those colors there, they just all complement that space. You see brown and tan and orange and yellow and green. And I think they just all tie together, just all come together. I'm really loving the way this space turned out. So here in the entryway, I wanted to keep it simple. I already had a yellow and blue and white theme going on here. And plus, I have a Michigan Wolverine fan in the house. So I wanted to buy a couple of things that would complement that. That blue pillow in the middle, that's new, and I added in the vase you see there some yellow plastic pumpkins. And the blue and white rug, I think it all just kind of ties together and just keeps this space separate from the rest of the house. And that's the fun and exciting part about decorating for fall, because you can get really creative and make each space its own, as you will see in the rest of the house. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you liked the video. For those of you who saw my first video, just a reminder, I still have future videos coming to show you some of the small updates we did to add our personal touch to our new home. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, fall is what you make it. See you next time.